I'm Allison, a registered dietitian at Levine Cancer Institute, and today we're going to be making a strawberry smoothie. First, I'm going to add a cup of frozen strawberries. Next, I'm going to add a half a cup of vanilla Greek yogurt. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of peanut butter or other nut butter of your choice. And if you wanted to add some additional calories and protein, you could always add an additional tablespoon of peanut butter as well. Next, I'm going to add 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Next, I'm going to add a half a tablespoon of flaxseed. And I use this kind. And lastly, I'm going to add a half a cup of milk. You can also use an alternative milk option that's lactose-free, such as Fairlife milk, and that certainly is up to your preference. And now we're going to mix away. I've blended it all together, and now we have a delicious and refreshing smoothie. Cheers.
Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us online, send us an email, or give us a call. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when new videos are released. And most of all, be well.